Could you please introduce yourself to the camera?
Hi, my name is Ruby, and I'm a ribbon worm, and I'm here today to give you a further look into my life, my truth.
What do you think are your most defining characteristics?
Well, first, my Taxa Nemertea is unsegmented, which separates us from many other worm phyla, which makes us cooler. I have a hydrostatic skeleton. It is flexible and supported by fluid pressure, so it's a good thing that the majority of species in my taxa are marine. In terms of size, I'm on the smaller size. Ribbon worms can range from length from 1 centimeter to several meters, which is huge. Regardless of length, we tend to only be around 1 inch in diameter though, which is pretty skinny. Luckily, I'm not toxic like many of my brothers.
Cool, so that's the tea. So, do you have any other groups?
No, I have cousins in Anolpa and Enolpa as well. Anoplans have 2 openings for eating, and well, the other ones, Enoplans, they only have 1. It's kind of disturbing, but we love it for them anyways.
Wow, that's a huge range. So, where are you from?
I'll show you. Like I said, I am from the ocean, as most members of my taxa are, but there are a few species of us that can live in freshwater, and in even smaller populations that live on land and in tropical environments.
Okay. Should I just meet you back in the studio, or?
Yeah, what is she doing back there?
Looks like she's trying to contract her body and move along the floor by secreting some sort of mucus. Gross.
Okay. So Ruby, tell us about your diet and how it affects your life.
Well, as a hunter and a scavenger, my favorite meals are tiny invertebrates, crustaceans, insects, and sometimes I'll dabble in some plankton. Those are pretty yummy. My sister eats only plants though. She's a vegan.
Ooh. How do you prepare this food?
Well, when I go hunting, I use my proboscis to grab my food and swallow it completely whole. I get pretty hangry. My friends, though, they stab their food with their proboscis and inject it with toxins, which is a little mean, but it's fine. Hi, Mom. No, I haven't met anyone yet. Stop asking me that. Yes, well, I'm not gonna fragment myself asexually and form 2 depressed ribbon worms. That's just mean. That's not gonna happen. Yes, I know, I believe it's on the 4th when everyone is gonna meet up at the mass and release our gametes through our pores. It's in a big mucus ball, and I should wear something nice for it. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna wear that. Besides, it's typically external reproduction anyway. I do not have a tone, Mom. Okay, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.
So tell me about your family tree.
Better yet, I'll show you. There she is. This is the phylogenetic tree based on our data matrix. The characteristics of our data matrix that cause differences in the trees are the Annelida and Nemertea both share lots of worm-like features that are physical and morphological, and proves that Annelida is the closest relative to Nemertea. The 16S rRNA phylogenetic tree shows rRNA sequences that differ between species due to mutations and can distinguish species and trace evolutionary relationships, such as the closest relationship between Nemertea and Echinodermata. This published phylogenetic tree proves that the Nemertea has been in existence for 500 million years and shows that certain characteristics added to the data matrix talking about locomotion or physical features may have skewed our data, since the Nemertea are similar to Annelida and Echinodermata, whom have very worm-like features.
Oh, Ruby, you've had some interesting stories thus far. Tell us how you grew up.
Because my taxon has such soft bodies, nobody really knows when I came into existence because of the lack of fossils. But my guess is 500 million years ago. Isn't that crazy awesome?
Well, that sure is a long time. I don't want to make you think or identify anything, but are you a protozoan or a durosome?
That's a pretty personal question, Sydney, and I would like to click other if this was online. But if I must tell you, I consider myself a protozoan with ciliary larval bands. Thanks for watching today. I hope you learned something about Nemertea ribbon worms. They're pretty cool. Well, I'm biased, but they're great.